G'day guys, Matty B here from Diesel Geeks. Today we're going to talk about Hilux injectors and what's in the box. Okay, so with brand new injectors, sometimes depending on supply issues, they may be a blue box injector or a brown box injector. Either way, the injectors will be brand new. Now inside the box you will see there is an injector and a injector seat only. So when we purchase these injectors, we strongly recommend that you get a set of fuel lines as well. The fuel lines cavitate erode from the inside, and so obviously whatever metal erodes off those fuel lines will go through the new injectors, which is obviously not great. And the other thing that we strongly recommend you purchase at the same time is a fitting kit, which will be supplied with all of the gaskets and bolts and washers and things that you'll need to complete the job. Over and above, if you need any help with coding injectors, we have a huge library of informational videos and blog posts. So we've got all the information that you'll need to get this job done properly.